I got Johnny. He's got the Trap Star out here. There's the Mustang, 4-liter. It's got a 5-speed. I like that car. I had a New Edge GT. It was a 4.6 liter. This car is actually faster and it's nicer. You can listen to the radio and everything. That other car is so loud you couldn't hear shit. And that's the Blazer. You can't hear shit in that either, other than the music that I play. But check out Johnny's Trap Star with this truck and telling that there's some middle-aged single mom upset because she didn't get her loan for her journey because he's out here with it. You got a light, Johnny? Put a light on this for me. Here, I gotta clean my camera up. Shine a light on it for me. Oh yeah, check him out. You see he's got his Trap Star. You wanna hit the lights on top one time for me, Johnny? I always tell him that, hit the lights on top. Oh, he's got his light bars in the front. Are they hooked up still?
Oh yeah.
Hit them once. Light them up. Oh, you put water everywhere. You left your wipers on. Why does it always take you so long? Yeah. And this thing is Grabber Orange. It's got a bunch of mods on it. It's got drilled and slotted rotors up front and 2014 GT wheels. The fin and the ground effects are from a GT 500. Damn, Johnny. He put the flick to it. But it's got a GT grill. But they didn't put the bumper and bottom diffuser on it. So it's got the V6 front bumper and diffuser. Man, here comes a shit box creeping. You hear that? Oh, that's that little Mercedes. It's ugly as shit and loud as hell, isn't it? I bet you it is.
Oh, that yellow one?
Well, yeah, that bright ass yellow one. And there's a Trap Blazer. This is what we were driving earlier. Old bucket of bolts. I like the Mustang. But there's Johnny. He got the Trap Star going again. Yeah, it is that thing too. This is that shit box. But anyway, that's what we're out here doing.
We stand out like bird shit on a black shoe.